Okay, I just played somebody really good. And even though I lost most of them, I was going as hard as I could and I was having a wonderful time. So let's see if I'm still in that mode. Oh boy, I hope nobody cheats. That would not be nice. Let's see, what CC are we? Aha! Go ahead and try to cheat and see what happens. Nanny, boo, boo. Oh no, that wasn't a very good start. Come on, go. I was afraid of that. Oh boy, I gotta watch my starts. Oh my gosh. Don't try to fight with somebody that's bigger, you're never gonna win. Oh boy, come on, go. Watch it, Mama. Hey. Uh-oh. I got a poo-poo. Let's go, come on, hey. Oh boy. Oh, I get lucky on that, okay. Oh boy. You son of a bee. Well, I guess not. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my goodness. Come on, give me your bullet. Bullet. Come on. Catch up to them and then use it. Oh, this is nice. Okay, watch it, Mama. Watch it. Come on. Oh, why do I always get these too late? I even got happy music? Which Bill? Don't ask me.
Are you going there?
Yeah. I have an appointment Thursday.
Okay, is that, what's his name?
Steinberg.
Okay.
Migraines.
Right.
And he's probably going to have to do a bunch of trigger point injections again because I'm like, okay. I was hoping y'all would join me. Okay. Now, that's funny. Smart poker, that's funny. Watch your start, Mama. Now do it. There you go. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Whoop! Where's my cookie? No. There. Okay. We saved it. We saved it. I'm not trying both of them here. Ouch! Look at it. Oh my goodness! And I still could. What happened? Oh, boo! Aw. Crud. I'm gonna lose a bunch of points too. Ouch!